In previous pages, we got a next-gen format error, and question is actually, what is it? So we saw before that next-gen format was saying that the JPG and PNG format is not optimized. So let's see what's happened, for example, in courses. Okay, so let's see the format of the images. So format of the images of the courses, let's see what it is on the disk. Okay, so on the disk, if we will go to images and go to here, you see that the courses Learn React is PNG file, and this is PNG, and this is PNG, this is PNG, this is PNG, and this is PNG. So all images are PNG. Let's see what happened when we take the image component. Notice that next.js control the server side, so he can translate the image from one format to other formats. So let's see if this is actually happening. Let's see it for courses. Okay, so let's put here F12, and let's look on the network, and let's see only images. Okay, let's see what is going on. So let's refresh. Okay, and what we see is very interesting, because the type of, you see here PNG and PNG, but actually the type that we got here is WEBP. This is not the type of the image originally, but what is happening is that this image type, okay, copy, WEBP image format. Let's see what it is. You see that it's a modern image format that provides superior lossless and lossy compression for image, meaning that it is better for performance. Okay, and if we will look at next.js, you see that under image optimization, WEBP, okay, so I do not see it in more of the documentation, but it is obvious that we have the courses on one image format, and the courses are downloaded in other format, which is optimized performance, and the only one that is doing it is Vercel. And this is why we don't get the error for courses, because Vercel is handling the image format.